What's up, y'all? So, got all the modifications, the intake, cam, heat exchanger, and like a couple of the things that, that don't need to be stated right now. But the car's dead, I can't start it, and I don't have anything to jump it with or nothing like that, so I'm gonna have to push it up. Just pulled up to the shop, man. About to unload this thing and then probably taking this out this building right here. Get started. Big shout out to Fast Lane Towing, bro. If you're in the Bay Area, hit them up. And so I just dropped the car off. My man Matt's gonna be working on it. I'm excited as hell. But this is it for today's video. There's gonna be like 4 parts to this. And yeah, I'll see you guys. This was part 1, so see you on part 2, man. Part 2, we're gonna be taking the whole car apart. All right, stay tuned.